How to send money from N26 to Revolut. Follow the instructions. Open the Revolut app, go to your Euro account, and tap to view your IBAN and BIC SWIFT details. Copy your Revolut IBAN and BIC. Ensure the account is in your name for a successful transfer. Open the N26 app, log in, and tap on Send Money to start a new bank transfer. Choose Bank Transfer, SEPA, for Euro or international transfer if using other currencies. Paste your Revolut IBAN and BIC into the recipient fields. Enter your name as the account holder. Enter the amount you want to send and add a payment reference if needed. Review all the info carefully and confirm the transfer. Money should arrive in 1 business day. Thanks for watching.